joining me here in the model railway shed for the Christmas special. I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel, who have liked my videos and shared all my social media pages. I am truly thankful to each and every one of you. Now, there won't be a layout update video this month because I've ordered some bits for my new TMD, which will go there. I've ordered some more track and I've ordered some more points. But unfortunately, because of the Royal Mail strikes, nothing's arrived. So I'm not sure what's going to come first, spring or my parcels. So as soon as my parcels are here, we'll start on the new TMD. Now, there will be a New Year special. On New Year's Eve, I will do a highlights video because, as you guys know, I love filming the rail tours that come to this part of the country. And anything different, if it's a steam train movement through here or an old diesel, I'll go out and film it. So there'll be a highlights video which will be released New Year's Eve about 6 o'clock UK time. One thing I want to say on my YouTube special is a huge thank you to the Model Railway YouTube community, who have been incredible. The encouragement they have given me, the support they have given me. I've had a few wobbles, I've nearly a couple of times I've come off YouTube because doing this is just so far out of my comfort zone. I can't even find the words to get in front of a camera and to talk to you guys. But they have encouraged me, they have supported me, and they have been amazing. I'm not going to mention their names on here, they know who they are, but a massive thank you to them. I became part of the community because several months ago, a certain YouTuber, for no unknown reason, decided to verbally attack certain other model railway YouTubers. We don't know why, he's just not a very nice guy, I guess. And he said some nasty, awful, unforgivable things. So, watching the community come together to support those people, to defend them, was an amazing thing to watch. It was an awful event, but it was great to see the community come together to support those people and to encourage them. And it made me want to be part of this community, and I'm so glad that I did. Those people supported, we defended them, because the people that were attacked are amazing people. They really are genuine, lovely people. And it was great to see the community come together for that, and I just wanted to be part of that community. So I want to say a massive thank you to them because I'm so glad that I did. They all know who they are. Thank you very much for all the support you have given this channel and all the help and all the encouragement. Thank you. So what have we got coming next year? Well, we have got the New Year special, don't forget that. We're going to be doing the TMD. As soon as Royal Mail decide to deliver the parcels, we'll get started with that. We were also going to be doing the raised area that's just behind me. And I also want to do some sort of a shipping yard, with storage containers, cranes, locomotives, that sort of thing as well. And I also really want to get out there and meet you guys, people that have subscribed to my channel. And I would love to get to some shows next year, to some exhibitions, and meet some of my fellow YouTubers. That would be amazing to do. So there's lots planned for this channel. Please stay tuned. We are going to get there. What I'm going to do now is leave you guys with a running session. There is going to be some steam trains, some diesels and an electric train. So there's a little bit there for everybody. I'm going to stop waffling on now. Leave you guys with the running session. Thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed to my channel, liked my videos, who have shared my social media pages. Big thanks to my brother-in-law who helps with me with all the logos and all the technical stuff as well. He's brilliant, he's a great guy. But mostly thank you to my wife who puts up with me, who supports me in doing this, and my daughter as well. She's been amazing. Thank you everybody. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you all in 2020. 23.